Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix all network sharing problems can't see network computers. First step is create new folder. Right click folder, click properties. Click sharing tab, click share, add everyone to full rights. Click advanced sharing, check share this folder, click permission, add everyone to full rights. Click security tab, make sure everyone having full rights. Second step is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Properties under Connected Network. Change to Private. This step is to be followed on all other computers. Third step is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Programs and Features, click Turn Windows features on or off. Check SMB 1.0 CIFS file sharing support. After completion, restart system. Fourth step is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Click and expand Private Current Profile, check Turn on Network Discovery, also check Turn on File and Printer Sharing. Click and expand all networks, check Turn on Password Protected Sharing, click Save Changes. Fifth step is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Function Discovery Provider Host Service, change Startup Type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Open Function Discovery Resource Publication Service, change Startup Type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Open SSDP Discovery Service, change Startup Type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Open UPnP Device Host Service, change Startup Type to Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Close and restart system. Sixth step is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set, click and expand services. Click and expand Landman workstation, click parameters. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as allow in secure guest auth, change value data to 1. Seventh step is find IP address and computer name. Find your system IP address. Find your device name. Open Client System, type Notepad in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click Open, this PC, C drive, Windows, System 32 folder. Driver folder, etc folder. Select all files, select hosts, click Open. Type files, shared computer IP address and device name, save and exit. Username and password Mura desktop. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.